kept running it. I think the ones that might not want to do it. But it's good. But we can add some blush on top of that. Blush really a little bit of blush in the nose and a little bit more highlight. I always put in it, but I don't run with it. Sometimes the whole ah sorry I'm highlight and I'll cut that. Yeah. Don't say that out loud. Please, like so if you are like brown, don't say go white. But your mum might not sometimes when they get a woodland that will help you make them take the photo like I'll be back in time. I blended in my nose already, so I need to sometimes add a little bit and I put that in order. I think we need to do about it. Now I'm just sticking to my face. Like I thought, yeah, when you put people in,